Welcome back to House Hunt Daily, the channel where we explore interesting and affordable homes for sale across the United States. Today, we're taking a look at 7 homes for sale in Montana, offering a variety of options for buyers searching for space, comfort, and value. From cozy manufactured homes to larger properties with renovation potential, these listings show that homeownership can still be within reach. Let's begin our tour. Number 1. Great Falls, Montana, $99,000. Our first stop brings us to Great Falls, Montana, where this well-maintained home is listed for $99,000 and offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1,144 square feet of living space. This 1994 double-wide manufactured home sits in the welcoming Highwoods Mobile Home Park and features a spacious 26 by 44-foot layout with an addition that includes the primary suite and an attached single-car garage. Inside, the home has a bright and comfortable feel thanks to 4 skylights that allow natural light to flow through the living spaces. The kitchen stands out with beautiful cherry wood cabinets and a sleek glass-top stove, creating a warm and practical cooking area. The primary bedroom suite includes its own private bathroom and a cozy gas fireplace, making it a comfortable retreat at the end of the day. Heating options include forced air, gas heat, and a pellet stove, and the home also includes central air conditioning for comfort during warmer months. Step outside and you'll find one of the highlights of the property: inviting outdoor living spaces. The landscaped yard features an in-ground sprinkler system, a charming gazebo, and a storage shed for additional space. The attached garage is heated with a pellet stove and is currently set up as a cozy, creative space. Residents of the community also enjoy convenient amenities such as snow removal on neighborhood roads, RV and boat storage areas, and shared community spaces. For buyers searching for affordable homes for sale in Montana, this property offers comfort, thoughtful upgrades, and attractive outdoor features. Number 2. Billings, Montana, $69,000. Our third property brings us to Billings, Montana, where this fully renovated home is listed at $69,000 and offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 960 square feet. This property is a great example of a turnkey home, meaning many of the updates have already been completed. Inside, the home features a bright and open atmosphere with updated lighting, clean finishes, and refreshed living spaces. The kitchen has been upgraded with warm hickory cabinetry, giving the space both character and functionality. Combined with modern appliances and practical design, it becomes a comfortable area for everyday cooking and gathering. Both bedrooms offer comfortable layouts with ceiling fans and carpet flooring, while the main living area provides a welcoming space for relaxing or entertaining. Step outside and you'll see why this home stands out among many homes for sale in this price range. The property includes a metal carport for covered parking, a storage shed, and even a greenhouse, perfect for gardening enthusiasts who enjoy growing plants throughout the seasons. Behind the home, there's also a garden area that offers space for raised beds, flowers, or simply a peaceful outdoor retreat. With thoughtful renovations and useful outdoor features, this home provides a move-in ready option for buyers seeking affordability and practicality. Number 3. Helena, Montana, $89,900. Next, we travel to Helena, Montana, where this spacious home is listed for $89,900 and offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,248 square feet of living space. Located in the friendly Leisure Village mobile home community, this double-wide manufactured home provides the convenience of single-level living, making daily lives simple and comfortable. Inside, the layout offers a practical arrangement of rooms, including a welcoming living area, a functional kitchen, and comfortable bedrooms that provide plenty of room for family, guests, or a home office. The outdoor space is another highlight of this property. The home features a covered back deck, an ideal place to enjoy a quiet morning coffee or relax during the evening. The fully fenced backyard provides privacy and room for outdoor activities, pets, or gardening. Maintaining the yard is also convenient thanks to the underground sprinkler system, which helps keep the lawn looking green and healthy with minimal effort. The community itself offers additional features, including a pool, playground, and shared neighborhood spaces, making it a welcoming environment for residents. Among affordable homes for sale in Montana, this listing stands out for its combination of interior space, outdoor comfort, and community amenities. Number 4. Bozeman, Montana, $89,000. Next, we head to Bozeman, Montana, where this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 1,152 square feet of living space and is currently listed at $89,000. Located in the Nelson Park community, this home features a spacious interior layout that includes a living room, family room, and a separate dining area, giving the home a comfortable flow between spaces. The kitchen connects naturally with the dining room, creating a practical setup for everyday meals or casual gatherings with friends and family. Both bedrooms offer generous space, and having 2 full bathrooms adds convenience for residents and guests alike. The property also includes a carport and a shop shed, providing additional room for storage, hobbies, or small projects. These extra structures can be especially valuable for homeowners who enjoy DIY activities or need space for tools and equipment. Situated in one of Montana's most desirable cities, this listing provides an interesting opportunity among homes for sale in Bozeman, combining location, space, and affordability. Number 5. Kalispell, Montana, $75,000. Our 5th stop takes us to Kalispell, Montana, where this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,076 square feet is listed for $75,000. Located in Meadow Manor Trailer Park, this manufactured home offers a flexible layout that could work well for a variety of living situations. The current owner has created an additional 4th bedroom space by adding temporary walls near the living room. Buyers have the option to keep this extra room or remove the walls to restore a larger open living area. The main floor plan includes a comfortable living room, kitchen and dining area, and a primary bedroom with its own attached bathroom. This layout makes everyday living both practical and efficient. Outside the home includes a 2-car carport, providing convenient covered parking and protection from the elements. While the property may benefit from a few updates or repairs, it represents an appealing opportunity for buyers looking at homes for sale that allow room for personalization and improvements. Number 6. Billings, Montana, $90,000. We returned to Billings, Montana for our 6th property, listed at $90,000 and offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,465 square feet of living space. This spacious, double-wide home is located in the Hillside Village community and stands out because of its generous layout and move-in ready updates. Inside, the home features an open and flexible floor plan that allows the living room, dining area, and kitchen to flow naturally together. Brand new flooring throughout the bedrooms and living room gives the interior a fresh and updated appearance. With 4 bedrooms, the property provides plenty of space for families, guests, or even a home office setup. One of the most enjoyable features is the covered front porch, a welcoming spot to relax outdoors, enjoy fresh air, or greet neighbors in the community. The home is located in Lockwood, offering a peaceful residential setting while still being close to shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. For buyers exploring homes for sale that offer more space at an affordable price, this property presents a strong option. Number 7. Glendive, Montana, $87,000. Our final stop today is in Glendive, Montana, where this property is listed for $87,000 and offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and an impressive 1,815 square feet of living space. Originally built in 1910, this single-family home provides a solid structure with plenty of potential for buyers who enjoy renovation projects. Inside, the layout features laminate flooring in the main living areas, along with a practical eat-in kitchen that offers good cabinet and counter space for cooking and dining. The multiple bedrooms provide flexible options for family living, guest rooms, or work-from-home setups. The property also includes a detached 2-stall garage, providing excellent storage or workspace for tools, vehicles, or hobbies. Outside, the yard offers room to expand outdoor living areas or add landscaping improvements. With views of the surrounding hills and a straightforward floor plan, this property offers exciting potential for customization. Among homes for sale with renovation potential, this one provides an opportunity for buyers to build value while creating a home that fits their personal style. Those were 7 affordable homes for sale in Montana, each offering unique features, layouts, and opportunities for buyers. If you enjoy exploring homes for sale across the United States, be sure to subscribe to House Hunt Daily for more property tours and real estate discoveries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next home hunt.